friends, it's Caroline, and I am back with a really quick little project share. Life has been just unpredictable lately. We not only have had the issues with our home, which seem quite trivial now in comparison to some of the other life struggles that we've been asked to face. And, what do? We just do them, right? So I'm in a little sad spirits today, but I wanted to hop on and just in an effort to sort of get back into life and not let grief consume us. I wanted to hop on here and show you just a quick little book that I made. This is based on the 6.5 by 6.5 tutorial that I did for the Hello Valentine collection album that was also the winter collection, the Echo Park collection. And I just used an Easter pad that I had from last year from a Michael's Hot Buy that was in my stash. And I had a lot of fun working with this paper. It is so cute. As you can see, I used a grass die that I had in my stash. This was actually from I used several dies from a Queen & Company kit that was for a shaker card kit. It was so cute. Queen & Company has some really awesome dies and papers and just little ephemeras. But anyway, I used the grass die as well as one of the egg dies for this project. I cut these eggs out of some of the paper in the collection. Some of them already had the gold foiling around them and some of them didn't. And the ones that didn't, I backed on some gold glitter cardstock and then just used one of the cut aparts on the front. On the spine, this was so fun. I created a little basket here using some twine, and it was just this twine here that had some gold fibers in it, and I thought it was really fun to play with. And I simply cut out a shape for a basket base and a handle, and then I wrapped the twine around that and adhered it with glue. And then on the basket base, I started with 4 strips going horizontally and then took smaller strips in a basket weave pattern and sort of stacked them up until they filled in the space. And then I went around the entire edge with a piece of the twine to sort of finish it off, added a little bow, and then filled it with these sweet little Easter eggs. The Happy Easter round cut apart here was from the paper collection on the cut apart sheet. And then I just used a circle punch to cut a corresponding glitter paper piece to back that, put a little bow on here. And then on the back, I went ahead and cut some more of the strips of the grass from that Queen & Company die and sort of tucked the eggs in there as if it were, they were out there for the Easter hunt. So this is just a sweet little album that would be great for capturing memories of an Easter egg hunt with little ones, grandkids, kids, something like that. Thought it would be really fun. I used 2 colors of this. One is a ribbon and one is a seam binding. The seam binding I got from Country Craft Creations. The ribbon was something in my stash that I've had for a long time. And then as we open up the book, you will see that I've got a little waterfall here. On the other albums, I have them oriented horizontally, and this one is a vertical orientation. Got a little cut apart here that says Bunny Trail Hop This Way. On the bunny cut apart, I did add some glossy accents, and it was really cute on these eyes to just put a nice dollop of the glossy accents on there and let that dimension really come into play. I don't know if you can catch the dimension on there, but they're just the sweetest. Let me see if I can get this in frame here. They're just the sweetest looking eyes. And then I went with my pokey tool and sort of tried to etch around the other details around the flowers to try to capture some dimension on them using the glossy accents as well. So that was really fun. And it's just a sweet little waterfall here that opens up. Pages just flip out here just like that. And then on this one, instead of the heart or the snowflakes, I went ahead and cut out the Easter egg shapes. And again, that was a Queen & Company die. And then I layered them on. I cut them out of several different colors of paper and then sort of put them together in little vignettes because I thought that was really fun. We've got some little tuck pages in here in between each one. And then again, these were all just cut aparts from the collection. This one says hop, peep, peep, yay. Super fun. And just opens out like that. Let's see if we can see all of that. And then I just created a little tuck spot here with, again, another cut apart. Added some of the Love from Lizi peel-offs just for interest. This is so cute. We believe in the Easter Bunny. I thought that was super sweet. And it just opens up, again, more of the little ephemera that were part of the cut apart sheets that I thought would be really nice to kind of put around pictures as they're being added to the book. And then over here, just kind of little place to journal and other little cut aparts, just super fun. And then on the back here, again, we've got this super deep accordion pocket. I went ahead and added another pocket in front of that too, because a lot of these were smaller in scale, and so I just wanted to have a place to tuck them. This cute little strawberry basket here, kind of just put that in for a tuck spot. And then we've got a place for all of these other cut aparts to live and just be ready for journaling or pictures adding on the back. And then, of course, on the back page again, I got a little twist and pop here. It says Happy Easter, and a little place here with some eggs at the bottom to tuck a picture behind. And then we've got plenty of room for 4x6 photos on the top and the bottom, and maybe even some smaller little 2x2 photos that can be cut out and put in there as well. And so that is my project share for my album that I have to show for you today. I know I've got a lot of other projects that I had hoped to have tutorials for upcoming. I just want to remind everyone, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, but especially be kind to yourselves. Sometimes things just don't happen in the time that we would like or in the way that we would like, but they always work out the way they should. So that's the project share I have for you guys today. I hope that you are being kind to yourselves and finding joy in your journey. Thanks so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.